All our traditional greenhouses are built using timber from sustainable sources and fully glazed with 3 mm horticultural glass, except for any small triangular sections which may be clear perspex. The wood is treated with a water-based preservative in a light oak color. To prolong the life of your greenhouse, we recommend an annual treatment with a similar, water-based preservative. This model is 6 foot wide and is available in a range of lengths. The door has an opening width of 70 centimeters, which is approximately 2 feet 3 inches. Ventilation is provided by roof vents. Staging down one side is included in the price, leaving the other side free for growing tall crops such as tomatoes. If you prefer staging at both sides, this is available as an optional extra. This model is also fitted with high-level shelves for extra growing space or storage for pots and small tools. Your greenhouse can be supplied in pre-glazed sections for DIY installation, with all the fixings and instructions required. Alternatively, we offer a low-cost installation service and the customer just has to prepare a flat, level base. Delivery is free to most postcodes. The areas covered, and the current lead time from ordering to delivery, can be found in the product description at our online store, urbansquare.uk. Please get in touch if you have any questions.